They all are suffering from a specific type of headache called migraine. Migraine is an intense, throbbing pain which usually affects one side of the head. It is often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and extreme sensitivity to light and sound. The pain may be mild in the beginning, but may become moderate or severe if ignored. Migraine may last from 4 hours to 72 hours, and in some cases, the attack may agonize the sufferer even for a week. There are two most common types of migraine: migraine without aura and migraine with aura. Typically, an aura is a visual sensory experience where the person experiences flickering lights, spots, or partial loss of vision. 25% of people suffering from migraine may also experience an aura. Migraine can be differentiated from the usual headache by its symptoms. Although symptoms during a migraine attack may vary in individuals, the common symptoms include severe throbbing pain, usually on one side of the head, nausea, vomiting, increased sensitivity to light, sound, or smell, and dizziness. Migraine can begin during childhood or may not occur until adulthood. Most often, women suffer from migraine than men. Family history is the most common risk factor of migraine. Certain factors that can trigger migraine are increased stress, fluctuations in estrogen during menstruation, pregnancy or menopause, extreme weather, bright light, loud sound or an unusual smell, changes in sleep pattern, dehydration, skipping a meal or delayed meal timings, smoking, intense workouts, travel stress, intake of certain foods like chocolate, cheese, shelled fish, caffeine, alcohol, soy sauce, and some food additives like aspartame can also trigger migraine. There is no complete cure for migraine. However, there are different treatments that could bring this condition under control. It is best to allow the doctor to offer the right treatment, advice, and support for treating your migraine. Migraine treatment involves two broad categories: acute treatment and preventive treatment. Acute treatment involves treatment with the medication which should only be taken to relieve migraine attack when it occurs. Preventive treatment involves medication that helps in reducing frequency, severity, and duration of future attacks. These medicines sometimes take a while to show full benefit. Hence, you may probably have to take them for at least 3 to 6 months. Prevention of your migraine is mainly in your hands. Follow these simple do's and don'ts to keep migraine away. Identify the common triggers of your migraine and avoid them. Drink sufficient amount of fluid to stay hydrated every day. Be consistent with your sleep habits. Exercise regularly. Maintain proper body weight. Learn to relax to reduce stress. Keep a track of migraine attacks in a diary. Don'ts to prevent migraine are: never skip your meals or delay them. Avoid intense physical exercise. Avoid going out in scorching heat. Limit your screen time. No smoking. Do not self-medicate. Always remember, you can avoid your migraine with changes in your lifestyle and proper medication. You too can lead a normal life with effective management of your migraine.